Hello ladies and gentlemen, fellow traders. Today is Sunday, 20th of December 2020 and the time is 8:13 p.m. Welcome to our BBMA weekly analysis for trading week of 21st to 25th of December 2020. Let's get started. As usual, we look at our setup SOP, trading using 4 time frame, weekly, daily, H4 and H1. No changes in our SOP this week. We're going to continue to trade as usual, although this month has been very challenging for our trading strategy. Let's look at last week's performance. For last week, there barely any trade. There was only one trade on GBP USD. I have to put this one here. Sorry, I forgot. So we only have one trade and the trade is stopped out because we have instant sell on GBP USD. However, as we can see, the GBP USD pair is keep going bullish last week and it eventually hit our stop. Okay, let's look at this week trade. For last week, our trade performance was minus 1.27%. That's actually just because of this trade is stop out. So this is like almost the same amount that we expect to lose because we risk 2% per currency pair per week. Okay, let's look at this week trade setup on TradingView. As usual, we will start with looking at DXY on the weekly time frame for our USD currency index guidance. As you can see, for the past like 5 weeks, DXY has been very bearish. This is mainly due to the US election, the end of the year thing, and so the market is a bit slow and the US having some political difficulties. So based on our setup, this is, however, we're looking for a buy setup, although it's bearish, but we expect it to reverse. So you want to look at the confirmation on the lower time frame. Okay, on daily, we can see that price start to close inside the Bollinger Band. So this is MHB buy. And on H4, we can see price is making a higher low, making a upward movement over here. However, we have to be very careful because this also can form a flag for you who trade pattern. This can form a flag to go more bearish. So for DXY, what we expect is we want to see that this price go up and close above the top BB and making a CSM buy. So we're going to set alert for that. CSM buy on H4, and also you want to see it above the EMA 50 for it to be bedded. Okay, that's for the XY. So although we want to buy, but we're never gonna buy it directly until we have our signal. Okay, as usual, we look at the major pair only. Euro USD, same. Totally opposite of the DXY. It's been it's been bullish since 11 weeks ago. That's like 3 months. Euro USD keep doing 11 weeks. Sorry, it's almost 3 months, right? The Euro USD has been very bullish. So last week it closed strong bullish. We want to see a reversal so we can take our sell like that. Okay, so this is re-entry sell, and on daily time frame we can see price is starting to close inside the Bollinger Band, and we can see that the candle is start to close inside this week. There's no momentum candle has been made, so this upward movement is getting weak. However, it's not ready for sell. And similarly on daily, we can see that it making an extreme sell, TPW MHB sell. You want to see the CSAK sell followed by CSM sell. Then we take our re-entry sell. Okay, so set alert. CSM sell at H4 and and close below EMA 50. Okay, that's for Euro USD. Next pair will be AUD USD. For AUD USD on weekly time frame, as you can see here, it has been bullish for the past 6 weeks as well. Okay, so we want to see a reversal on the lower time frame for our sell setup. On daily, price is still closing out. This is exactly at the top BB. We can take this as a CSM buy. On H4, however, price is making extreme sell, make a TPW and MHV sell. So we need to wait for this to make CSAK sell and continue down to make a CSM sell, then pull back to give us entry and continue to move down. So this is what we expect to see in H4. For that, we set our alert. CSM sell at H4 and make sure it's sorry, below EMA 50. Alright, that's our alert for AUD USD. Next pair will be USD JPY. Okay, USD JPY on weekly time frame currently is making let me see carefully. This is MHV buy because it does not making a CSM sell here. This is extreme sell, then it make there's TPW here, and this is MHV buy. Okay, so in daily time frame it also close. Let me see, this is exactly at the low Bollinger Band, so we can take this as a CSM sell. So D1 is CSM sell. On H4 is this is re-entry sell. This is extreme TPW MHV CSAK buy, then re-entry buy. So USD JPY is we expect it to go up, make a CSM buy, pull back, give us our entry and continue to move up. Okay, so this is what we want to see on H4 in USD JPY. So set alert for CSM buy at H4 and make sure it's above the EMA 50 as well. Okay, next pair GBP USD. GBP USD, we start from weekly time frame. As you can see here, price close above the top BB. We want to wait for reversal to happen. So this setup is re-entry sell. On daily is a extreme sell. You can see here the EMA is outside, but this is a reverse candle that closed inside the Bollinger Band. So this is a extreme sell. On H4 price actually closed below the low BB, mid BB. So this is a CSAK sell. Okay, so this is not ready for sell. You want to see it close below here and pull back. So for this we also need to set alert. Sorry, CSM sell at H4 and close below the EMA 50. That's our trade plan for GBP USD. USD CAD. Okay, next pair is USD CAD. We start with weekly time frame. Okay, weekly we can see price is actually open and close outside the Bollinger Band last week, and this is a hammer pattern if you trade pattern. So we want to look for reversal for it to come back up. Okay, on daily we can see that price is start to close inside the Bollinger Band, making a MHV buy, and this is a reversal pattern for us. This is a bullish engulfing. Okay, and on H4 we can see price actually close above the top BB and also EMA 50. Now you make a pullback here. before it continue to go up. So for USD CAD, we can actually have our buy setup. Sorry, this is the wrong one. Buy setup. Typically we take it from BB to here to the lower low here. However, if we do that, we might miss the trade. So to be more aggressive, you can take it from the EMA 50 like this, and maybe you can take it until here and place your stop here. That will be our trade plan for USD CAD. So USD CAD is an instant buy on H4. Just double confirm on H1 there is no CSM sell, so only CSM buy. So this is a clear buy for us on USD CAD for next week, as in tomorrow. Okay, next pair, USD CHF. Okay, for USD CHF, we start with weekly time frame. We can see price is close below the low BB, and we expect it to make a reversal next week. And on daily time frame, we can see it start to close inside the Bollinger Band, making an MHV buy. And on H4 itself, H4 itself is very tricky because we can see this candle is a fake out candle. It went down and went up immediately, and it went up slowly with no strength. Okay, this is a weak candle because the body is very small. It actually reject low V and MA 510 low, and it reject down, reject up. This is just it's a mess, right? And eventually it make a big bearish momentum candle below market close last Friday. However, as you can see here, this low is higher than this low, so the potential for upward is still there. For this, we're not going to do anything, but we're just going to set our custom indicator to give us a signal when the CSM buy candle is formed. Alright, okay, last pair that we're going to look at for this week will be NZD USD, as usual. NZD USD has been bullish for a very long time. Overall, as you can see here, it started to be bullish from here, from this particular candle all the way here, and this is like 38 bars. 38 bars is almost the whole year, right? 38 bars, you divide by 4, it's almost 10 months, sorry. So for a whole 2000, since March 2020, NZD CAD has been bullish, and the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks has been really strong as well since November. We're still gonna trade this based on our SOP. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this as a re-entry sell and confirm it at the lower time frame. On daily, MHV sell. On H4, you can see is the MHV sell as well. On H1, there's a CSM sell, but it's immediately cancelled by this one. This is very risky because it's already all the way up here. So until we see a CSM sell, we're not going to sell. CSM sell, and it had to be below this EMA 50. So for that, CSM sell at H4 below EMA 50. Alright, there's all the alert for our trade plan last week. We're gonna have like 7 alert because we have instant entry on USD CAD. Okay, and that's it. So this is our simple trade plan that we do every week. We repeat it over and over and over again, and as you can see here, this is our trade plan, just like this. And we gonna go about our days, do our work, and just wait for the signal to happen. If we have a notification from the trading view, we got 4 hours to 8 hours to react on the notification and place the entry. So this is a stress-free trading strategy. It's not going to be huge profit every week, as you can see here. For the past 3 week has been losing week for us, but it's okay. Good day gonna come, and we stick to the plan with our trading strategy. So till we meet again next week, I wish you all a profitable trading week and stay safe. Bye bye.